E iri tonu ana ki tēnei pai ko te mate korauna. Ko te ware auora o ngā Tiruanui tētei e kaupare ake i tēnei kino. Tonu mai mo te roanga ake o tēnei pūrongo. E uru e te tāua o ngā Tiruanui ki te ora o te iwi.
It's really important that our whānau get the jab because it's about protecting themselves and it's about protecting the rest of their family and our wider kaupapa. It's all about making sure that our community is kept safe in the best possible way, and getting the jab is the best way you can keep yourself and the community safe.
Ko ngā painga e ngā tuana ki te ora o te tangata.
So we've done a real direct approach. We've gone out and we've telephoned people directly. So we've reached out and we've talked to them, and where there's a bit of hesitancy, we've talked to them and provided them with information, and then maybe gone back to them later on after they've had a time to absorb it and talk about the issues that are of concern to them. So we've taken a really direct one-on-one approach. We found this is the most effective way for people to come into the clinic and to meet those that they trust, those that they're used to, coming for other healthcare matters, and that's really been important to ensure that people feel comfortable in getting the vaccination.
I think the beauty of my job is that I'm lucky that I'm on the ground with our people, so connecting also with our runanga, having those people in those areas as well, being able to reach out to whānau and my direct whānau as well, having those links. It's awesome. I can connect to all our kaumātua through our marae, through our huis that we have, and then also going to rangatahi huis and that and connecting with our uri that way.
E waka mō i o ki ngā uri ki ngā uatanga waka aere, kei te mātāmua o ngā mai.
It is about protecting our wakapapa, about protecting our whānau, and of course, it's not about the koe and kaumātua, but it's also about our mokopuna. Right from, from our pepe right up to our kuia kaumātua. So it is about protecting our generations.
E tiaki i te tuakiri o te wakapapa, kei te puna o ngākau, e ore ana.
It does feel like any other jab, so it's just got a sharp pinch and then it's gone really. So I'm just going to do what the medical professionals ask of me and just sit around for a few minutes and make sure that there's no effects, but I'm sure I'm going to be fine.
E ara māmā te wai ngā toʻu a ngā nei, kia ora tonu te tangata.
For those that are still thinking about it, or even those that might be a bit hesitant, we will still be here for them. So they can come forward anytime, and we will also continue to make contact with them, either through social media or direct with them, because we want to make sure they're given every opportunity to come forward, and we do it at their pace when they wish to. We'll always be here for them when they're ready.
Ko te manako nui a te tāua o ngā Tiruanui, kia wai oranga te iwi, ka mutu te katoa. Aroha Broughton Pui, te reo o te uru.